Let me show you how to analyze a trade like this from start to finish. This is the before of this trade, and you can see the after here also on the screen. And the results of this trade is also on the screen. You can see it was a successful trade. Now I'm going to show you how you can step by step analyze this and catch trade like this. All I want you to do is just follow the page, comment, have any question, and recommend to your friends. So you're going to be using ICT or SMC for this, and I'm going to put price on replay. Then we saw how we came by this trade right here. So this is how you need to analyze the market. First, you can see we're having a downtrend from here to the downside. Price was pushing from here to the downside. We're having lower highs and lower lows. We have a lower high, we have a lower low around this place. When price got here, it created this high here. I was expecting price to push all the way to the downside and break this low here. I was expecting price to push all the way from here to the downside and break this low. But you see, that didn't happen. We saw price push up, came back to this low, and now there's a push up again. Price push all the way, break this high somewhere around here. When this high broke, that was when I was expecting that price will either push all the way to this key level before the buy, or to come here to the second one before the buy. So initially I was expecting a sell to the zone before the buy. Okay, so now in my head I knew price will drop to this level and then buy, or it will drop to this level and then buy. So I was expecting for the sell trace to the level. Now let's see what happened before I took that sell. So it was pushing up here, and I was still waiting for price to do whatever I want to do. And you can see I have this area here created. Price take the high here. So I took this area as either liquidity sweep or equal highs. I was expecting price to push all the way and then change character here for me to look for my sell to my key level before the buy. And you can see that happened perfectly with price. You can see price did the same thing, push all the way to the downside, change character. And if this thing happens, that means price needs to go to the institutional level, which is the order block, breaker block, or your key level for your entry for you to take the trade. And you can see the same thing happen. Price push, change character, and I was expecting price to push all the way to the level. And let's see what happened. You can see what happened. This was the sharp candle. So this was the area for the trade entry when price went into the zone, took this sell around here. Stop loss was above here. TP1 was all the way down here. Let me put this one here. TP1 was here, and I was expecting price to either reach here, react, or break, then we continue selling to the downside. Now you can see, so this is how to analyze your market step by step approach from point A to point B, guys. Follow the page, share to your friends. Now you see price push all the way straight up, hit our take profit, guys. So this is how to analyze the market using ICT or SMC step by step. Follow the page, share to your friends.